Would one of these pairs would be my first ever fucking Yeezys in the rotation? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you once again for tuning in for another fucking video, guys. I wasn't lying when I said one of them could possibly be throwing the rotation. Now, I don't know if you guys can read that, but it says the sizes. So, and if you guys are following me on Instagram, you guys might have seen a preview already. Which one is my size? Well, technically not my size. It's half a size smaller. But, you know, I heard that the Yeezys fit a little bit bigger. So, we'll see. We'll see. Before we get started on the sneakers, guys, I just want to give a quick disclaimer. Anybody under the age of 18, just a pre-warning, I do cuss on my videos and I do smoke. Whether you like it or not, I don't give a shit. Kindly click the fuck away if you guys are quickly offended by this. With that being said, guys, yo, if you guys are fucking with this shit, this type of review, yo, hit that subscribe button, alright? Give me a motherfucking thumbs up too, and let's get to the fucking sneakers. Alright, cheers, guys. Let's get started with the top box because the bottom box, we'll leave that for last. Alright, we'll leave that for last. So we got a 700 box right here. This is the Yeezy Boost 700. Not really sure what quality motherfucker. Shout out to my homie Myung for letting me borrow these. I guess there's so many motherfucking restock on these that he was able to grab his size again, and he's just not. Oh, okay. This is the 700 Wave Runner, the OG colorway, the really ugly ones. Yes, I said it. They're ugly. Well, at least it's not for me, okay? Sorry. Those of you guys that own a pair, I'm sorry that I have offended you guys somewhat. But this is just my personal opinion. I'm not really sure how much he paid for these, but it doesn't say retail, so I'm not really sure. Let's see what they say on retail. Holy shit, $300? Fuck, guys. For such a shitty fucking silhouette, you will not be able to convince me to drop $300 retail on these. I see this shit, like, my god, the shape looks off. Maybe when you wear it, maybe nothing special, to be honest. The materials, I guess, they're kind of nice, you know. Personally, for me, them shits are ugly. Like, what the fuck? What is this? What would I rate the 700 Wave Runners out of 10? A fucking solid 3.5. Sorry, guys. That's just my motherfucking personal opinion. You would never see me with a pair of these ever. Now, here's the interesting one, guys. Here's the really interesting one. So, these are the Kobe, not the Kobe's, but it used to be just called like the fucking EQT some shit. These are the top 10s, Adidas top 10s. Kind of reminds me of the shoe that we're gonna talk about. So let me bring this motherfuckers up first, okay? As you guys know, I already kind of hinted what kind of sneaker, what kind of Yeezy it is. So here it is, guys. Here it is. The 500, the only Yeezy that I ever thought twice about actually, if I can get my hands on those and see them on hand, I'm pretty sure there's a good chance that I would pick those up. My feelings on them were like 65-35. That's how much I was leaning towards actually picking it up if I was to see them on hand at a store. But since, you know, motherfucking resellers all the fucking time always eat up every shit, I can't really go at a store without having to like see it and then decide right on the spot if I can buy, if I want it or not. without having to go to a fucking consignment store that is like overly fucking priced by like $200. Let's get to the fucking sneakers, guys, because I am very excited to see what these look like. All right. What do I think about them? They really do remind me of my my top 10s right here, guys. Basketball sneaker, lifestyle sneaker. I really fucking like the colorway. I'm not gonna front here and tell you guys that I don't, because I'm gonna try these on. Actually, fuck man, do I wanna try them on? This is a size 9.5. I probably won't try them on because they're size half too small, and I know myself. It looks too narrow for me to try on. I kind of don't want to try it on. It's a high top. Like this looks narrow, like at the forefoot. I just know I'm gonna need my true to size 10. So this is a 9.5. It's too bad I can't give you guys an on-feet look, but hey, in my honest opinion, this would be the pair that I would kind of pay a little bit of resale for. Maybe $20, you know, 50 max. But you ain't getting fucking $100 off of me, off this shit. If you guys would have thought that I would have given into owning a pair of Yeezys and then throwing one of them into my rotation, not to fucking day. Just because it's not my size. If it was a size 10, best believe this shit would be on feet right fucking now. And I would be broke as fuck again. That is it for today's video, guys. No Yeezys in the rotation. So yeah, subscribe if you guys are new. Follow me on Instagram if you guys haven't already. And yeah, or which Yeezys should I buy on this channel? Which pair? Because right now I kind of like this. I dig this one. I dig this a lot. Like if I see this shit on like in person, my size, and it's not so much, like I said, $50 max, I would probably grab this. But it's the holidays. I can't really be spending too much. So happy holidays to everybody. Till next time, guys. Peace.